Hey, what's up guys, Winston here, and today we'll be taking a quick look at the ORICO Storage Backuper. So according to ORICO, the Storage Backuper is their flagship product for 2020. So basically it's a 2.5-inch hard drive enclosure that supports both the traditional hard drive as well as the SATA SSDs. And it comes with a support for USB 3, both the A-type and the C-type. What's interesting about this product is that it comes with some backup software which you can actually download from their website. And if you're an iPhone user, check out their App Store. And what about the Android? Yes, it supports the Android, and check out the Google Play Store as well. Since the enclosure only supports SATA hard drives, you're limited to the SATA interface speeds of only around about 500 megabytes per second. Still, it's a great way to use existing 2.5-inch hard drives and put them into an external enclosure and use them as a backup device. Okay, so let's do a quick unboxing and see how the software really works. We'll see you in a bit. Okay, so we have here the ORICO Backuper sample engineering test prototype. So this is basically a USB enclosure, USB-C enclosure for your SSDs. Let's have a look. There's a couple of things inside the box. We have a little lanyard, very nice, blue. We also have, what do we have here? Instructions. ORICO, instructions, specifications. There's the warranty card, I believe. Okay, so let's have a look at the Backuper from ORICO. It's got blue on the top here. It's the Storage Backuper, SATA 3.0 to USB 3. Okay, let's have a look at the interface here. We have, as you can see, USB-C. And we also have a USB 3.0. And inside there seems to be a cable. Let's have a look at the cable. How do you open this? Let's have a look. Peel this off. Yep, it just slides out. You just pull this up and it slides. Here we go. Alright, so you have the USB-C to USB-A data cable. And here we have the actual PCB with the SATA interface. Alright, let's put a hard drive in there, right? Okay, we have two types of hard drive. We have the SATA, yes, the mechanical drive. This is really the SATA 6, yeah, hard drive. We also have a super thin ultra SanDisk SSD. You can also put that in to see what it looks like. Let's try the SATA 6 SSD. It's quite chunky, so hopefully it'll fit. That goes in here. It seems to fit okay. Yeah. So, and then let's put the cover back on and see if it works in terms of size. Okay. Yep. So yeah, normal SATA 6 drive will work in there, fits nicely, and I guess the power is through the USB-C or the USB 3, and that's pretty much it. Okay, let's try the super thin SATA drive and see how that fits. Okay, so let's put that out. And we have the SanDisk 3D SSD. Let's see, if you look at the size comparison, you can see the thickness is, the SATA 6 is a lot thicker. So let's try the SanDisk SSD. It's a lot thinner. That fits in nicely. If you notice, you don't need any screw mounts, which is very interesting. the tightness of the actual case already allows it to be quite firm and stable and solid. Okay, and then let's put the cover back on and see how that looks. Okay, and that is it. Okay, we have now the 3D SSD in there, and good thing about this, it's see-through, so you can actually see the drive itself. And I'm shaking it around, and yeah, it's pretty solid. You know, there's no moving loose parts in there, so yeah, very good. It's the Backuper. Yeah, so check out ORICO and see the actual product page to see if there's any software you can actually download to pair this enclosure. Alright, so here we go. That was a quick unboxing and mounting of SSDs and hard drives for the ORICO Storage Backuper. And there we have it. That was a quick look at the ORICO Storage Backuper. A great way to use existing 2.5-inch hard drives, put them into an enclosure, and then use them as a backup device. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget you can actually buy this via the links in the description. And of course, visit our website for more news, reviews, and hot tips. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.